Hi everyone, I'm Suhail. I'm from Bangalore. So before we start our presentation, can I know how many are non-vegetarians here? Sorry for you guys. This is not meant for you. One day it was raining. I was sitting on my couch scrolling through Instagrams. I saw a reel, a fresh biryani, delicious. So I want biryani now. But I want my mom made biryani only. So I went to my mom. I told I want to eat biryani. She gave me a bag, some cash, go bring mutton. But I don't want to go outside. There where this problem came in. I went to Zepto, Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, everywhere. But what I found there are no more options where I can order. So I introduced my app, Meato. Meato is a quick e-commerce app where you can order meat from your local butchers as well as packed meat also. So the targeted audience are it's urban consumers, home cooks, and some hotels also. Coming to the scope of my work, I have went through these. First, I have done the research, then the UX part, then UI part, then prototyping. Coming to the qualitative research, I have two users personas, and after getting the user personas, I have segregated them into the thing empathy mapping, which is this, those things and fields. Then these are some of the questions I went through while interviewing the users. Coming to the qualitative research, these are my direct competitors, Licious, Zapfresh and Fresh to Home. So upcoming further you will know how I differ from all the three brands, and this is the user flow. Based on the user interviews, I have done the user flows, and coming to the wireframes, I have done mid-fidelity wireframes. Then typography, I have used the Satoshi font. And coming to the color, I have used a crimson shades of crimson. This will be my primary color, and rest will be my secondary, and this will be my text primary color. Some of my components in my project. These are the onboarding screens, login screens, and main screens. In India, the Indian meat market is about 1.2 lakh crores, in which 40% is Muslims, 45% is Hindus, and 15% is others. Coming to the home screen, we have a home screen where we get an advertisement, and then a quick selection where we can select, start with bestsellers, then categories. Then below we can find the purchase near me, where I can locally connect them and place an order. Subscription. This thing differs me from other brands. I have two subscriptions. One is 149 per month and 699 per year. We'll focus on 699 per year. It's something like Amazon Prime, kinda. You should pay 700 per month. Then you have got three options, which is weekly, monthly, and quarterly. You can select any of them, and you can choose your product, and you can select the days when you want to order. In my case, every Sunday I order mutton in the morning, and every one other day I order 6 eggs, and every Saturday I choose chicken. So once I have added to this plan, for example, now the plan is working. Okay, suddenly guest arrive at Sunday, so I can suddenly edit the plan before the order is picked up from the delivery guy. Then comes a halal mode. Halal is something like plays a very important role in some of the religions like Muslims and Jews, where these are some guidelines the purchase should follow if the Muslim should buy meat from him. If we don't add this feature, we are going to lose the 40% of the market share. Coming to the product page, these are the product details. You will be given the product name, weight, and the price. Below you will find a sold by button, where when you click that, you will get the store details, where you can see the store photos. Because I have added this feature because a user need a transparency between while ordering. So coming to the owner details, when you press the owner button, show owner details, you will get a owner details. Owner will have some certifications like no antibiotic certifications, halal certification. From there you can view all the certifications he has if you have any doubts while ordering the meat. Then comes the payment screen. In the first screen you can see there is a full package of 1 month. You are ordering mutton for 4 times per month, which is every Sunday, chicken every Saturday, and eggs every other day, and a 1-year subscription added with a 700 rupees. So you will get a total payment. You can pay through UPI, bank, net banking or cash on delivery, and you can place your order. These are some of my error screens. Then comes the best part. Marco is a AI, a voice command or a manual typing AI, which is Marco stands for Meato AI recipe and order companion, where you can chat with the AI or you can talk with the AI using the voice feature, where you can just tell it what you want on which day. It will automatically do everything for you, which makes you more lazy while using this app. Coming to this, these are the other screens of my project, and that's it. I'm starting.